Hi guys, hello from the top of the world. I'm up here in Jasper National Park, and I just wanted to give you guys an update how my trip is going. I hope you guys are still doing your workouts. Um, because I work out every day, I'm able to do stuff like this. I'm able to come up to the mountain and snowboard like the crazy Indian I am. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. So hello everybody. Hello Thomas, Yellowbird, and Cynthia. I hope you guys are still doing your workouts and everything like that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and go live. Right down there, you can see like I'm pretty much at the top of the mountain. Like I just boarded down a little bit so I can get a signal, but yeah, there's Jasper down there, the town of Jasper, and this is Jasper National Park, and I'm way at the top of the mountain here, and I just thought I would give you guys a quick update. I'm having lots of fun snowboarding here. I'm about to go down the mountain. I'm gonna snowboard all the way down. It'll probably take me about a good half an hour, but I'm just having the time of my life. Anyways, my girlfriend's somewhere down there. She is her first time snowboarding, so I didn't bring her way up on the mountain. And yeah, she's had it for the day though. So, anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's cold. I don't know if you can hear that wind or see that snow blowing. And look, it says avalanche area. See? So, anyways, I'm being safe. I'm being cool, and I'm social distancing. See, there's nobody around. This is the safest way to have a good time. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a good time and keeping safe out there and working out still and keeping fit and having fun. I worked out this morning. I went for a jog before I did this, and like I said, because I work out, I'm able to do crazy things like this, like snowboard and go on top of a mountain. Like, who does that, hey? Who does that? Goes on top of a mountain and snowboards. Well, I do. And you could do too. You could do that too, and maybe it's on your bucket list. I don't know, but I'm really glad I learned how to snowboard, and it's really fun. Like, once you get it, it's like surfing on snow. So I'm gonna sign off and hit the road. I gotta snowboard down here before they kick me off here, or before they forget me up here and I have to sleep with Sasquatch tonight. Okay, all right, you guys have a good day, and we'll catch you later. I'll update some more pictures later. All right, let's see. I'll see if I can peace with my glove. Peace out.